Hi guys, if you are thinking about signing up for Hostinger, you are going to want to watch this video. I have been using Hostinger for a very long time, and in this video I will tell you everything you need to know about this web hosting company before you sign up. Right off the bat, I can tell you that Hostinger is not perfect, but I have choose to continue using them to host my website even after testing out several other companies. I have used countless other hosting companies over the year, including HostGator, Bluehost, SiteGround, and several other. However, Hostinger is the company I currently use to host all my site, and I will explain exactly what that is throughout this video. Now, it's worth mentioning that if at any point while watching this video you decide you want to try a Hostinger for yourself, you can actually get discounted pricing that is not available if you simply go to their website. You just have to use a special discount link. If you want to get better pricing, I will include the link I use myself to save a bunch of money in the video description. Definitely take advantage of that link in the description. It saved me money every month on my hosting bill. Alright, now let's get right to it. Here, everything you need to know about Hostinger. First off, Hostinger is a hosting company that was designed to provide an all-in-one website solution with great website speed while also offering 24 by 7 support. As the owner of digital marketing company, I use Hostinger to manage multiple websites. It helped me improve me workflow with their managed WordPress hosting. Their website speed optimization is definitely solid, and their Lightspeed web server technology made a noticeable difference. They are the fast host I have used to date. The free migration services is also a nice bonus. Their support really make transferring my website pretty easy and straightforward. They help me migrate all my website from my previous hosting company free of charge. As someone who is not technical, they made migrating host extremely simple. Another main selling point is their pricing plan and simple. They have the best hosting price among their competitor. Specifically, consideration what you get more for the price, the including free website migration. As I mentioned, they have a free website builder that much better than other website builder you will find at other hosting company. I dare say I as good as WordPress. My site since transferring to Hostinger have seen massive speed increasing. My load time have never been quicker on average across all my website. I have seen a 3-second load time decreasing, meaning my website load time dropped by 3 whole second. This change alone has increased conversion on all my website, meaning that switching to Hostinger has legitimately made me more money than I had with my previous hosting company, which was Bluehost. The only thing I did not like about Hostinger is that they do not offer any discounting on their website. You actually have to use a special discount link if you want to get the discounted pricing. However, I have saved you a bunch of time searching for a discount, and I have placed the best discounted Hostinger offer in the video description. So definitely take advantage of those savings if you decide to sign up for this discounted save me a bunch of money every single month on my hosting bill. Overall, Hostinger is a by far the best hosting company I have used to date. For the first time in my webmaster career, I can say that I will not be looking for another hosting company. I will likely stick with Hostinger for the life of my website. Needless to say, I have been very satisfied. Their pricing is cheaper than my previous hosting company. My website load on every 3 seconds faster than before, and anytime I have a question or issue, it's answered within minutes. We their live support. I have been very satisfied with Hostinger, and it's no surprise to me that they have become one of the most popular hosting company within a very short amount of time. They are eating all of the other hosting company lunch, and I am personally very happy to see it with the amount of hour I have wasted going through sport ticket with other hosting company over the year. I am very happy I found Hostinger as they made my lives as a webmaster a lot easier and much less stressless. In conclusion, if you are looking for a hosting company that stand above the rest, Hostinger is my number one recommendation. Just make sure you want take advantage of their discounted pricing by using that discounted link in the video description before you sign up. Alright guys, if you made it this far, please drop a like on this video. It really help out the channel. If you have any question, just write a comment down below and I will answer them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.